Introducing Gut Wellness, unlocking the power of a healthy gut. In a world where well-being is paramount, there is one fundamental factor often overlooked: gut health. Welcome to Gut Wellness, a groundbreaking supplement formulated by renowned integrative doctor, Dr. Mark Stengler. Driven by his passion for helping patients achieve optimal gut function, Dr. Stengler has dedicated decades of research and clinical experience to create Gut Wellness, a product designed to purify, cleanse, and heal the gut. Gut Wellness combines the power of science with the purity of nature. Its carefully selected ingredients work synergistically to support and soothe your digestive tract, promoting overall wellness from within. Let's explore the remarkable ingredients behind Gut Wellness and discover their unique benefits. L-Glutamine, maintaining healthy intestinal and colon health while supporting a healthy inflammatory response. Licorice Root Extract, supporting a healthy mucosal lining and soothing the digestive tract. Slippery Elm Bark, promoting healthy digestive function and soothing the lining of the gut. Marshmallow Root, known for promoting gastrointestinal health and supporting a healthy gut. Aloe Vera Extract, supporting a healthy gut lining and helping to promote regularity. Quercetin, helping to maintain healthy digestion and supporting the healing of intestinal cells. Taking Gut Wellness is simple. Just mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water or your beverage of choice, 1 to 2 times a day, or as directed by a healthcare provider. Our product is manufactured in California, following FDA GMP standards, and made from the finest foreign and domestic ingredients, ensuring you receive the highest quality supplement. We are confident in the effectiveness of Gut Wellness, which is why we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you aren't completely satisfied with your results within 60 days, simply return the product for a full refund. Take control of your gut health and unlock the power of well-being with Gut Wellness. Order now and experience the transformative benefits that come from nurturing a healthy gut. Visit our website to claim your supply of Gut Wellness today. Invest in your health, because a healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. Get your bottle of Gut Wellness today and experience the benefits of natural health support. Choose your package below.